Welcome to our math meeting time. So we're going to be talking about several different things during our math meeting time. And the first thing we're always going to be talking about is the weather. The weather is kind of more of a science thing. Scientists really watch and look at the weather, but math and science go hand in hand. So we're going to do our weather. There's two different ways we check weather. We see what it's doing outside and we see what the temperature is. So this tells us what it's doing outside and this tells us what the temperature is. Like it could be sunny and cold out, but it's never hot and snowy. It could be foggy and cool, or it could be foggy and warm. So two different ways we're going to look at the weather. Now I do the weather early because I record these a day early. So I'm going to put the weather down for what's happening right now. And it'll be pretty close probably to what's happening when you guys actually watch this. So since I'm recording this for Monday, I'm actually doing it early on Friday. So right now it's sunny and it's warm. It's not hot, it's warm. I just checked the temperature. It said it was 69 degrees outside. So that's where 69 would show up on your thermometer. So it's sunny and it's warm. Those are the two different kinds of weather. It is right now, sunny and warm. So we come over to our chart. And since it's sunny, I just went ahead and put it in for Monday because that's the day you're watching. I put it down for sunny. We're going to see what the weather does all week long right here. Now this is going to tell us what the weather does for the whole month of September. So for the rest of September, I'm going to be putting marks next to what our weather looks like. And we'll find out what kind of weather we have the most of through September. So I have one mark for sunny down. Our days of school. And I have not been doing this with you guys. So we're going to start. We have now been in school for 30 days. I just counted them up on the calendar. I hope I counted them right. I'm sure it's pretty close. 30 days. So if 30 were a city, how many 10s right here would you be able to have? How many towers of 10? You would have 3, right. How many little houses would you have? Yeah, you would have 0. So 3 10s, 0 1s makes 30. All right, we're going to go ahead and mark down our days of school. I'm going to take my marker, get a good little dot going. We're going to start out with purple. We'll make it like a rainbow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to fix that one dot. I got cattywampus. So when we get all of these filled in, there's 10 spots, guys. That's called a 10 frame. A 10 frame holds exactly 10. A faster way to count it would be to count by 10s. So since there's 30 days of school, we've got 10, and then we can keep counting 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We knew it was going to be 20 because we filled up another 10 right there. Okay, and let's do orange. 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 25. Oh my goodness, guys. I got to looking over here and it messed me up. Let me try again. See, even teachers make mistakes sometimes. That's why you got to pay extra close attention to this so you don't mess up. Okay, so this is 10. This is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. These dots show how many days we've been in school so far. When you get one of these 10 frames filled up, you just know automatically it makes 10. So a faster way to count all of these would be 10, 20, 30. And I know that doesn't make sense right now, but I promise it will someday. So let's do our number of the day. My number of the day is 42. 42. Now we've had our number line long enough to know when we want to figure out if it's odd or even, we look here at the last number right there. 2. Is 2 odd or is it even? It's even, so that means 42 is even. And again, how many towers of 10 could we build? Right, we could build 4. How many little houses could we build? Yeah, 2. That gives us 42. Okay, here's our number of the day again. I'm going to tap him in 4 to 2. I'm going to get my little highlighter and I'm going to find that dude right here. Let's see. 42. Now we know if we jump up 1 on our hundreds chart, that's going to give us 10 less than 42. 10 less than 42 is 32. And there's still a pattern we follow. So you keep the end number the same and we jump back 1 with the first number. All right, what's 10 more than 42? Right, it's 52, maybe. All right, 1 less is 40. That thing needs to go away. 41. And 1 more is 43. So there's that. Now we're going to come down here on these old lollipops and we're going to compare. So let's put 42 on one lollipop. And let's put 4 on the other. If you were an old alligator and you were looking to bite up the bigger one, which one would it be? It would be the 42. That's like 42 suckers over there. We'd rather have 42 suckers than 4. Your dentist would not. You rather have that. Okay, let's do some patterns. These are going to be so fun. Check it out. So I'm going to start off with a really simple pattern. A pattern is something that just repeats itself over and over. And remember, I tell you all the time that numbers are just patterns. So you can use all kinds of things for patterns. You can use shapes, you can use colors. So I'm going to use some of these things to make you a pattern. And we also want to always keep looking for patterns in our numbers. So I'm going to do a flower today and a puppy. So flower, puppy, flower. You tell me what comes next. What comes next? Yeah, puppy. Whoops. Come here, puppy. Okay, what comes next? Flower. What comes next? Puppy. Aw, that is the cutest pattern I've ever seen. I'm going to do a different one on the bottom. This top one, I'm sure you guys remember from kindergarten, is called an A-B pattern because it goes A, B, A, B, A, B. So I'm going to give you a different one. I'm going to do a soccer ball. I'm going to do an apple. And I'm going to do a lollipop. Okay. Soccer ball, apple, lollipop. Can you guess what comes next? Yeah, soccer ball. Can you guess what comes next? An apple. Very good. And can you guess what comes last? Of course, it's a lollipop. So that's an ABC pattern. So this is A, B, A, B. It only has 2 shapes that make a pattern and repeat themselves. This one has 3 that makes a pattern and repeats itself. All right, real quick, guys, we're going to practice our doubles. We are starting addition this week. So hang in there with me while we do our addition. So we know 1 plus 1, and these are the things that you need to memorize, your doubles, because they're going to pop up a lot and you're going to use them a lot in other math. So 1 and 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 more is 8. And we're going to get way into addition this week, and this will make so much more sense to you. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6, if you know these, you totally shout them out with me, is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. What is 10 plus 10? It's 20. All right, if you notice, your answers are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. When you're adding doubles, your answer will always be even. It will never be odd. That's kind of crazy. All right, we're only going to do one skip counting today. And we're going to count by 2s. 2s are our even numbers. So here we go. 0. I like to start with 0 because it helps me remember the even numbers. 2, 4, 6. Help me out. What's next? 8. So what goes here? You got it. 10. What goes here? You got it, pal. 12. What goes here? 14, of course. What goes here? 16, and the last one, what goes here? 18, and I'm not going to do the bottom row. We're going to save it for tomorrow. If I do the bottom row, what do you think is going to go here? I'm going to put a question mark and let you guys think about it, and then tomorrow you get to see if you were right. So that's our new math time, math talk. I'll be adding some things. I'll be taking some things away, so be looking for it, and I hope you enjoy it.